so today we're going to talk about how to find an angle. We did some of this on Monday with tangent. And remember, anytime you're looking for an angle, you need to use the inverse key, which is the second key. Remember, we talked about that second button on your calculator. You set them up exactly the same way that we did before. You do the same steps, but now we're just looking for an angle. So right here, they're looking for the sine of B. Remember, it's the sine of some degree. So here, you're just going to hit second sine 0.2985. And when you do that in your calculator, you will get 17 degrees. Remember, when you're talking about degrees, leave them to the nearest whole number. So again, on this one, you're going to hit second tan 0.4168. And you should get 23 degrees. Remember, because you need to round up because it's 22.6. And then here would be second cosine 0.8443. And you would get 32 degrees. Again, remember to make sure that your calculator is in degree mode. Okay, and then down here, I'll save those because I think that's easy enough for you to figure out. On number 7, same thing like we've done before. Find the angle that's your star. This is your hypotenuse, your opposite, and your adjacent. You have your TOA. I have my hypotenuse and my opposite. Now I have those two sides, so which one deals with opposite and hypotenuse? I don't care about my adjacent at all because what I'm looking for is the angle measure. So it's going to be the sine of some degree, that's what we're looking for, and my opposite over my hypotenuse. So therefore in your calculator you're just going to push second sine 13 divided by 27. Second sine 13 divided by 27, and you should get 29 degrees. And that tells you how big that angle right there is. Okay, again on the next one, here's your star, hypotenuse, opposite, adjacent. You have your adjacent and your opposite, which means I'm going to use TOA. So that would be the tangent of x is equal to the opposite, which is 27 over 8. You're going to hit second tan 27 divided by 8. And you should get 73 degrees. And on this one here, we have our hypotenuse, our opposite, and our adjacent. We have opposite and hypotenuse, which means that we're going to do the sine of x is equal to 12 over 16. So you're going to hit second sine 12 divided by 16. And you will get 49 degrees. All right, so let's try 3 more problems here. So we have our hypotenuse, our opposite, and our adjacent. So if I'm looking at SOHCAHTOA, we have our adjacent and our hypotenuse. So that means this one will be the cosine of x is equal to 1 over 4. So you're going to hit the second cosine 1 divided by 4. And that would give you 76 degrees. Okay, next one, same thing. I have my adjacent and my hypotenuse, so it's going to be the cosine of x is equal to 12 over 13. So you're going to hit second cosine 12 divided by 13. And you should get 23 degrees. And the final problem, hypotenuse, opposite, adjacent. So this one would be the tangent of x is equal to second tan 23 divided by 11.